Hi guys, sorry about the random cut, it was because the memory was too full for the whole video. So this is part 2 of the tutorial. I just done applying the green eyeshadow. Now I'll be showing you about applying the brown one with the flat brush. Just above the eyes, okay? It doesn't have to be really strong, but it helps bring the eyes out a lot more. Trust me, it will. There we go. And do the same thing to the other eye. Here we go, that's that done. Then it's the mascara, but I'll be using my lash curlers. Just hold, the reason it's easier that way is because when you use the eyelash curlers, it helps bring the eyelashes out to apply the mascara a lot easier. So you only need to do them for like 5 seconds per lash. So just hold there for 5 seconds. Then release. Same on the other side. If you feel like it hasn't been long enough, just do it twice on each eye. Okay, that should be enough. Now, get some black mascara and apply it on. Ideally, you need 2 coats of this. Just air dry on one eye for at least a minute. Okay, and do the other eye. Finally, second coat to the other eye. Okay, you can see the lashes. That's that done. Now for the liquid eyeliner, so just give me a second to get a mirror. You need a compatible mirror because you can see the whole range on your eye. It's really, really easier that way. So you just basically let down, like that, and apply from just here of the eye. So just 1/3 away from the eye. Just draw a thin line for the minute. Make it thicker. And do the same for the other eye. Now that's almost everything. The last thing you need to do is the lip gloss. And roll it up. And there you have your Tinkerbell makeup tutorial. As I said, this was requested by Margaret Moore for her best friend Ashley Moore. So I hope you guys like the video. And for the rest of you makeup tutorial fans, I hope you like it. Remember to comment, rate and subscribe me on YouTube because most of the makeup tutorials are now on YouTube, so you can do all that. Hope you guys like it.